Hi, I'm Amelia Smith with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here today at my new Fallbrook listing of 1753 Carriage Lane. This beautiful one-level home was designed by a professional interior decorator and a French restaurateur. From the incredible interior design elements to the layout of the gardens and the plantings, there is a lot to love here. As we come inside the home, you'll see the wonderfully laid out kitchen behind me. And as we move around the property, you'll see views outside almost every window and door, from the lush gardens surrounding the home to Palomar Mountain and the valleys surrounding Fallbrook. We're in the guest house now, which is detached from the main house and fully self-contained with a full bedroom, full kitchen, and full bath. It also has direct access to the pool deck, and some of the most beautiful views on the property. For more information about this property, please visit my website at the address below, or feel free to call on me anytime. It's always my pleasure to serve your real estate needs, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.